Will this fit me? Should I buy S or M? If it doesn't fit, I'll have to return it. What a hassle.
Fashion e-commerce return rate is a whopping 30 to 40%. This means a waste of consumers' time and money. Statistics show that 68% of online clothing buyers struggle with sizing. This leads to return rates of 30 to 40%.
LabelBee solves this problem with AI. How does LabelBee work? It's very simple. The busy bees bring information to the AI for analysis.
Just take a photo of the care label. Upload it to LabelBee to save the info. We found the best matches. Wow, these are perfect. I love them. Thanks, LabelBee. Okay, let's find the perfect jeans and check the label. Wait, there's no care label in these? That's so weird. Oh no, how can I buy them now? If there is no care label, just take a picture of the entire jeans outfit and upload it. Wow, that's so easy. I uploaded a photo of my favorite jeans, and LabelBee found the 8 best matches. This is amazing. Thanks, LabelBee.